Sunday plan, what do you want to do, bro? In this video, we chill a bit doing simple things, but there is a real effect for your life. Since it's the weekend, so that your day doesn't just pass by playing social media and doom scrolling, I suggest you do decluttering or tidying up, bro. Remember the words of Jordan Peterson. Before trying to clean up the world, clean up your bedroom first. Nice, my bro who is diligent and ready to clean up the world. Do one of the following activities. I guarantee your day will be more productive, your mind also more fresh. 1. Clean up the bedroom. Mop the floor, sweep the underneath, change the bed sheet and pillow. Make it as comfortable as possible. 2. Tidy up the work desk. Throw away unused papers, wipe your laptop or your computer screen. Tidy up the books that are messy on the work desk. 3. Wash motorcycle or car, so that it shines clean and you look cooler when bringing it. Just wash it yourself. At the same time, light exercise to be more fresh. If you don't have a vehicle, it's okay, bro, just skip it. 4. Wash shoes, so that they smell good, shiny, and increase your handsomeness when you wear them. 5. Check the wardrobe. Throw away or donate clothes that you no longer use, that are too small and you rarely wear. Underwear, t-shirts that are already torn, just throw them away, it's okay, rather than filling up the wardrobe. 6. Tidy up your face. Wash your face, then look in the mirror, tidy up mustache. Tidy up beard, or if you want, cut your hair at the same time. You can also buy a cheap face mask, use it before sleep. Guaranteed you'll be fresher and glowing in the morning. Remember, most men usually on the weekend just use it to be lazy. After the weekend, they even become more messy. But I'm sure you're different. After the weekend, you even become cooler, more handsome, more neat in life and appearance. Okay, bro. From those 6 things, which ones have you done and which ones are you planning to do? Oh yeah, share your productive weekend plan in the comments section, bro. I'm curious. Regards, high value man. Keep the spirit.